Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Igor and I'm one of the co-founders of Operately, an open source product focusing on business operations. In this video, I want to show you one of the new screens that we added to Operately, and this screen is aimed for fast onboarding and, let's say, as frictionless experience of adding your company and bootstrapping your company as possible. In this screen, what you are currently seeing is the name of your company. Let's say that it's called Acme Inc. And the mission statement is that Acme Inc. is designing boxes. They designed the best boxes on the world and they want to continue to dominate this market. Let's start by adding a couple of objectives. Let's start with the obvious one. Increase revenue by 5% by the end of Q2. Let's say we will use John Johnson from the executive team to lead this effort. The other thing we would add would be, let's say, increase brand awareness. And this would be led by Lisa Joe from the marketing team. As you can see, the experience of adding new objectives to Operately is fast and smooth. We really strive to make this experience really, really good. And we only want to make this even better. So if you have any suggestions for us, we are happy to learn. The other thing I want to show in this video is the ability to add new tenants. So if tenants is if this is the first time that you're hearing about tenants, it's a way to express some of the core values of your company and to make sure that every quarter, every month, you are effectively having objectives and projects that are targeting that core tenet or that core value of your company. So for example, in the I will now create a tenet called quality, and let's say we never compromise on the quality of our products and services using only the best materials and services to ensure durability, what else? Reliability and effectiveness of our product. So now that we have this new tenet, we can make sure that we have several objectives that are targeting that tenet. For example, let's add the following thing: reduce defect rate by 5% by the end of Q2. Let's say that Acme Inc. noticed that the defect rate has increased in the last quarter, and they definitely don't want to continue this trend because quality is one of the core values of the company, and they want to make sure that they really do their best to achieve that goal. So who would be the champion of this? Let's say John Johnson would be a good example here, and this would be from a job for probably the product team to focus on. The other thing we can add is, let's say, expand the quality assurance team. In the last quarter, Acme Inc. has noticed that the quality assurance team was struggling to keep up with the demand. The company increased and they acquired new larger customers, and they want to make sure that the quality assurance team has enough members to handle the load. So this would be an objective for the lead of the quality assurance team, Eliza Joe and this is for the QA team. The last thing we could add is to promote a culture of quality and accountability throughout the organization. I made a typo, 2 typos. And this would be a job for, let's say, Michael Scott, and this would be a part of the executive team. They want to promote this new culture, the company. This would be all I want to show today. In the next videos, I will show how you can reorder these objectives to make sure that the most important objectives are on the top, how to create sub-objectives, how to add projects to the screen, how to filter, how to do a lot of things that can make sure that your team is aligning well, that you are doing the best work that you can do. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to like this video, to subscribe to us. We have fairly regular updates about Operately and how the development is going. Join us on our Discord server, or of course follow us on Twitter and follow us on GitHub. Have a nice day and bye.